What happens if you don't repot your bonsai? And how to know when it's time. Think your bonsai doesn't need repotting? Think again. Neglecting this one task can slowly kill your tree. Here's why. Repotting isn't just about giving your bonsai fresh soil. It's essential for keeping it healthy and thriving. But how do you know when it's time? Today, we'll break down what happens if you don't repot, the warning signs to watch for, and how often your bonsai actually needs it. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video from the Bonsai Barn. 1. Roots become pot-bound. Bonsai live in tiny pots, which means their roots will eventually fill every inch of space. When that happens, the tree struggles to take in water and nutrients. If you notice roots circling the inside of the pot, or even pushing the tree upwards, it's a clear sign that repotting is overdue. 2. Soil breaks down and loses drainage. Over time, bonsai soil compacts, holding too much water and reducing airflow to the roots. This leads to weak growth and increases the risk of root rot. If your bonsai's soil stays wet for too long, or looks like it's turning to mush, it's time to refresh it with a proper repot. 3. Growth slows down. If your bonsai isn't growing like it used to, fewer new shoots, smaller leaves, or weak branching, it might be because the roots are too crowded to function properly. Repotting gives them fresh space to grow and absorb nutrients more efficiently. 4. Water runs straight through the pot. Ever water your bonsai and see the water drain out immediately? That's a sign the soil is exhausted and no longer holding moisture properly. Healthy bonsai soil should absorb water evenly, not let it rush out like a leaky bucket. 5. The tree becomes unstable. A well-rooted bonsai should feel firm in its pot. If your tree wobbles or shifts easily, the roots might be struggling to anchor it properly. This can lead to weak growth or even the tree toppling over in strong winds. Repotting helps stabilize and secure your bonsai for better development. Skipping repotting might not kill your bonsai overnight, but over time, it will weaken the tree and make it much harder to keep healthy. Knowing when to repot and actually doing it can make all the difference. How often do you repot your bonsai? Let me know in the comments. And if you're not sure how to do it properly, check out my step-by-step bonsai repotting guide next.